Frederick upping up, and the race is on. Sir Frederick, the favorite, pass to begin Rockwell. Senor G down on the inside, and moving up is Small Star. Sir Frederick, Small Star, Rockwell. Moonraker in the middle, running by the Reds, Bombs. Entry number 5, Grand Game Manpower is racing in 7th position alongside Senor G. Then comes entry number 6, now showing number 3, Zing, Risk Taker, Green Apple, Lord Gold, and Mr. Islander is running in 14th. Sir Frederick, the leader, followed by Rockwell, and moving up by the Rally's Grand Game, Moonraker, Bombs, Small Star, Manpower, and rushing up is now showing, and Senor G. As they race the last 450, it's still Sir Frederick, this time by a length and a half. Grand Game down on the inside, Rockwell, Moonraker, Small Star, and on the outside now showing Senor G, Manpower, and Green Apple. And nearing the finish line, Sir Frederick, still leading by a length and a half. Grand Game is on the outside, and nearing the finish line, Sir Frederick, Grand Game. And finally, Sir Frederick, Grand Game. Number 6 now showing Small Star for A, Senor G, and Moonraker for your Super